Well, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dan and I'm woodturning in Wales. And today basically I've got a piece of green oak. And what do I mean by green oak? I've got a very fresh piece of green oak which was delivered very recently. I was told the wood was actually seasoned and it was bone dry. But unfortunately not, so I put it on the lathe today just to see how I got on with it. But again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to support my woodturning journey on YouTube and hopefully hit that subscribe button if you like the video. But moving on, we're going to get this piece onto the lathe and hopefully you enjoy the video. It starts off with a bit of a slow start, but like I said, if you want to follow my journey as a woodturner on YouTube, I'd love to hear from you all. But let's get into this video.